Hello everyone, look at these colorful dragonflies. Let's make it using craft paper. So we're going to take this square paper and fold it from the diagonals, press it from the side and then open it, tuck the paper inside, flip it and repeat the same process from this side as well. After this, we're going to fold the two papers and then make a shape like this. Now we're going to fold it from the top and press it at the center, flip it and then pull the paper down. Now we're going to fold it from the corners. We are going to cut it into two parts. These are the wings of the dragonfly. Roll it from the front and then we're going to spread the wings. These are ready. How cute this duck shape is looking. As you can see, we're going to cut a yellow circle and fold it from the sides. Now open it and cut it from the bottom. As you can see, we're going to press it and make a shape like this. Paste it using double-sided tape and make multiple cut on the side. Now we're going to use a scale and curve the edges. Here we're going to make these different shapes, paste all of them together, paste the eyes and look, it is ready. Look at this colorful, cute little umbrella. Let's make it using craft paper. Here we are going to use two different color of paper. This is the yellow one. Fold it from the side and tuck the paper inside. Flip it and again we are going to keep folding it from the corners. Now draw these beautiful bunny shapes and paste all of them together. Tuck them one after another. Roll a paper, make a stick and paste it at the center. Your umbrella is ready. You can also paste a pearl like this one. Look at this beautiful teddy face. So we're going to cut different circles using brown, white and black craft paper. As you can see, paste all of them and it's done. Let's make colorful butterflies using craft paper. So we are going to cut two different shape of circles like this and fold each one of them. After this, we are going to punch both of them together like this and spread the wings. Let's make the antennas as well and paste it on the top. Your butterfly is ready. Look at these colorful butterflies. Let's make it. As you can see, we're going to fold the paper 4 times and then fold it from the diagonals. We are making crease first. After this, keep folding it, flip it from the side and then make 2 strips. After this, we're going to fold it at the center, press it like we are doing here. Now flip it again and then we're going to spread the wings of the butterfly like this. Look, it is ready. After making the wings, we're going to curl it from the side, from the corner. As you can see, fold it and press it using your finger, and you can also use this pointy object, and look, these are ready. Let's make cute little frog using craft paper. For that, we are going to cut this green strip of paper and then we are going to fold it from the side and paste it using double-sided tape. Cut the extra part and make the legs of the frog. Keep cutting it and paste 2 big round eyes and it's done. Let's make paper aircraft. So we are going to take square red paper, fold it from the diagonals and press it from the side, make these triangular shapes. Now keep folding it like we're doing here and make 4 such shapes. Now we are going to take one and cut it from the corner like we're doing here in this video. Press it. This is the tail of the aircraft. After this, we're going to tuck all of them together. The wings are ready. You can also cut stars and paste it like this. Thank you so much for watching this video.